going on YouTube? This is your boy Most Incredible, back with another incredible video today. So I have a piece coming in today. It's for the piece I have. It goes right here. It's hiding all my wires for my underglow lights, for my lights for my grill, and everything like that. Right? My fault. But it's hiding the wires right here. So basically, it can go like this. So it can hide everything. But I'm gonna show y'all how to install this. I had a little trouble until I actually really figured it out. First, with these right here, you're gonna have these two clamps, right? You're gonna have two of these. You're gonna need to cut these off with a any kind of cutter. You're gonna need to cut these off. Second, you got to put this wire right here up under here. You can put it up under there. What I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna zip tie it. Well, it's not gonna go nowhere. It is in this fabric right here, so let me not talk so much. So then yes, and then this right here, you're gonna get this, and you're gonna force it down there. Make sure this little notch right here is in that little hole right down there. So this notch, this hole, you know, put this in the hole. Snap it in. Then these pieces down here, then once you do that, once you hear it snap, you're good to go. Try to move it around. So then you see those two holes right there. Then that way you got the push pins for it. They send you 4 push pins. So I'm gonna push them in, and once I'm gonna push them in without the camera, because I don't have nothing to support the camera with besides my hand, and I'm gonna get back with you. So when I said it hides my wire, it totally hides my wire. Don't worry about my push pin, y'all. I don't have no push pins in right now. I took them all out for a reason. So when I say they hide my wires, so that way when I go to a car show now, they see this wire coming out. Only reason why they see it, because I don't have nothing to cover all that. I don't have an excuse. But nah, I mean, it covers everything up. As you can see, it covers everything up. So once again, if you follow my steps of taking these 2 push pins out, that's what's holding this wire up, you would cut them off, and you put these 2 new push pins in, and they'll fit right in. And this, you got to little force this in, and this is how it goes. This is a complete set. I don't even, well, I think I do know what the name of it is. I got to look it up. But here's the name of it right here. This is what it called. This is how much I paid for it. And I got it fairly quick because I have Amazon Prime, as you can see, last purchase. And this is how it actually really goes. Simple and plain. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. You can share the video if you want to. I mean, yeah, go ahead. Share that. Share this video. I couldn't get the thing out. Share this video for me. Let's go.